Hello Internet Marketers, thanks for checking out another episode from How to Webmaster. Today I am going to compare some web traffic stats tools. So here's one of my websites, articlespinnerreviews.com. We're going to take a look at some of the traffic stats. Here I am inside of my CPanel hosting account. Under metrics, this is your stats area, showing you all these tracking tools. So we have here some of the most popular ones: Webalizer, AWSTATS, and this is one of the newer one, or old, I'm not sure, but I haven't seen this one before. Analog stats, I never used that one before. And then I'll measure that against Google Analytics. So let's take a look at Webalizer. And this one is notorious for inflating your views. So let's take a look at March 2020. Since this month right now is April, but it's only halfway through the month, and it's better to get a whole 30 days or a whole month stats. So let's do for March. And total hits for March, according to Webalizer, it's almost 100,000 for total hits. Total file hits, 90 something. I believe they track everything from like a hit for your image file. It's going to be super inflated. So you want to go off of total visits. The month of March got about 8,821 visits. So that's what Webalizer is showing. Now let's take a look at AWSTATS right here. Let's do March. Okay, so AWSTATS definitely a lot lower, and then the hits, which is again I've shown everything from images and things like that. So hits is kind of similar, 100,000 here and 71,000 here. Okay, let's check out analog stats. So here it's actually not that pretty at all. Let's see if we can find the hits and visitors. So the files requested, 71,000, similar to the all stats here. Okay, March right here. So number of pages requested, 11,194. So very inflated as well. Okay, now let's look at Google Analytics, the king of accurate tracking. Google Analytics normally filter out the bad proxy views, bot views. So it's not going to track views from other search engines, biders, and again bot views. So let me set this to March. Only 588 users or visitors came to my site, 1,224 page views. The closest one is AWSTATS, 2,173 views, unique views, but the page view is still super inflated compared to the actual page views, 10 times less. So that is the comparison, Google Analytics compared with these other outdated tools for traffic stats. I don't trust these ever, and you shouldn't either. And don't rely on these to track your website traffic, views, and stats. Just use Google Analytics, it's free anyways. Okay, so that's pretty much my comparison, just a quick comparison between Google Analytics with Webalizer, AWSTATS, and this other one, Analog Stats. Big difference. So again, don't rely on those. Okay, thanks so much for viewing. Be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more tips, tricks, and tutorials on internet marketing. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thanks again, and until next time, happy marketing.